How to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. So first of all, just simply open your WhatsApp account, and after that just open the chat where you would want to send disappearing messages. So for example, I want to send disappearing messages in this particular chat right here, and after that just simply open your camera and just click whatever picture that you would want to send as a disappearing messages. And now you will be able to see this particular option which says add a caption, and right beside this you will be able to see this particular option which says one. So you just have to simply click on this one option right here and just simply click on send, and as soon as you send this particular message, it will send as a disappearing message to the person you are sending this message to. As soon as this person receive this particular message, and they will open this particular video or photo, that whatever that you have sent, they will be able to see this particular message only once, and after that it will disappear permanently. So this is basically how you will be able to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.